Hello friends, welcome to part 73 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So once again, we are going to work on the product filters because we are left with the categories filters that we are going to do in this part, okay, via AJAX. So like we have done the other filters as well earlier on. Here we also want to show the category filters, and we are going to show the subcategories. Like if the user will open the men category, then we are going to show the subcategories men t-shirts and the casual t-shirts. And if the user open the clothing category, like the clothing category is I think the clothing here, okay, then we are going to open here the men, women and kids, okay, with the checkboxes, so that the user can able to select the particular category products. Okay, so we are going to do this thing in this part. So we are left for this thing. So this is the product filters once again, 10th part of the product filters. And earlier on, the last part that we have done with the product filters is the dynamic product filters we able to do that we able to add from the admin panel as well. Okay, so you can see the that is the product filters part 9. Okay, so after this, we have done that search functionality as well. We have also updated that advanced search with Algolia third-party search in Laravel, and now we are going to do the categories filters via Ajax as well. Okay, so let's start. Let's follow the instructions under video you can find, and you can always get the instructions along with the source code after becoming a channel member. So let's follow the instructions. And the first one is that we are going to update the filters blade file with the category filters, and here we are going to show the categories as well as the subcategories at the left side. Okay, so category as a heading and subcategories with the checkboxes. So we are going to open the filters blade file here. So here above the price filter, we are going to add. Here we are going to add the categories filter, start and end. Okay. So here you can see the category filters along with their subcategories. I'm going to refresh here. And here you can see, like I have opened the clothing category here. You can see the subcategories under clothing, men, women, and kids with the checkbox. And now, if the user will check the men, only male products will come. If the user will check the woman, then only the woman products will come. And if the user will check kids, then only the kids products will come. And if the user check all, then all the products will be shown here in the listing page. So right now it will not work. You can see that it is not displaying, though there are men products. Okay, here the category is going at the top, but still it is not working because we need to update the query. Okay, in which we need to update the products listing query where we are applying all the filters. Okay, so in the next step we are going to apply for the category filter here where we are applying the other filters as well. I'm going to open the product service at front. And here you can see, like, we are applying the sorting filter, color filter, size filter, brand filter, price filter, dynamic filter, and now we are going to apply the category filter. Okay, so this is the code that we are going to add here. We are going to align it as well. So here in this code you can see that we are going to fetch the category IDs. Whatever category IDs the user is going to select. Like if the user check this one, this category ID will go up here. And if the user will check the woman, then this category will also go up with the tilde sign. You can see 4 tilde 5. Okay, so here it will keep on coming. Like if the user will check the kids as well, then you can see the 4, 5, 6. Now the 3 categories. Now we need to show the products. We need to show the products of these 3 categories. Okay, and also we are going to check the subcategories of that. Okay, like if the user check the men, then we will also show the products that comes under men. So we need to fetch the subcategory IDs as well. Okay, so for that, see what we have done here. First, we have fetched the main category that the user selected. Then we are going to get the subcategory. Okay, so we need to get all the categories, and we are going to merge all these categories, and from those categories we are going to show the products. So this thing we have done here, apply category filter. And one more thing we need to do here, we need to ignore this category filter in dynamic filters. Okay, otherwise it will start treat it as a dynamic filter. So we need to add it here. See what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it before this one. Okay, and now I'm going to add this category after page JSON. Now I'm going to add this here as well, and also we are going to add the subcategory as well. Category, we are going to add the subcategory as well. Okay, so now I'm going to check here whether the products will come. I'm going to remove this one. Here I'm going to remove this, and we'll open the closing once again. Now I'm going to check here, like if I am going to check here the men, then all the men products will come, and if I will check the women, then all the women products will come. But here only the men products we are having so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the men category here, then these two subcategories will open. Okay, I'm going to click on the men category, then you can see the men t-shirts and the casual t-shirts come. So what I have done, I have put the one t-shirt under casual t-shirt and two t-shirt under men t-shirts. See, if I will check the men t-shirt, see only two t-shirts are there. One t-shirt is under the casual t-shirt, so that is not coming here because I have not checked that casual t-shirt. So if I will check that casual t-shirt as well, that third t-shirt will come up here. And if I will uncheck this men t-shirt, then only one t-shirt will come, as under casual I have put the one t-shirt only. Okay, so they are working fine here. You can see that we able to check any of the category and will show, we'll get the products of that category. Okay, so like this we can able to integrate this category filter for our e-commerce website. You can do this at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So in the next part we are going to work on the categories once again, and we are going to do one feature. In the next part I'm going to show you that what we are going to do, we are going to add show in other category select box. Okay, that means like if you are going to add product under any of the category, suppose one product you want to show under other categories as well, like this is the product that you want to show under women also. Okay, this is the man product that you want to show under women. This is the common product maybe. Okay, that you want to show under both men as well as the women. So here I am going to add one more select box in which you can show the multiple other categories where you want to show this product as well. Okay, so that functionality we are going to do in the next part. So please stay tuned for that. And please join as a member. If you want to get the complete source code, you can join as a member, youtube.com stack developers, so that you will not stuck anywhere. I will make sure that you will not stuck anywhere, and will provide you the complete support as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.